Want to cut out unwanted sections from your video? Clipchamp makes it easy to split clips, remove sections, and create a cleaner final video. In this guide, I'll show you how to cut a video in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video, then drag it onto the timeline. Make sure the video is selected before you start editing. Play your video and find the exact section you want to remove. Move the playhead to the beginning of that section. Using the timeline zoom can make precise cuts easier. Select the split tool to divide the video at the playhead. Then move the playhead to the end of the unwanted section and select split again. You now have a separate section that can be removed. Click the section you want to remove and press delete. Clipchamp will remove that part from the timeline. The remaining clips can then be placed together to create a continuous video. If you only need to remove content from the beginning or end, you can use the trim handles instead. Drag the left or right edge of the clip until the unwanted footage is removed. Now preview the edited video from the beginning. Check that the cuts are smooth and that you haven't accidentally removed important content. You can undo an edit or adjust the cut if something doesn't look right. When everything looks good, select Export, choose your preferred quality, and wait for Clipchamp to create the final video. Your newly cut video is now ready to share. And that's how to cut a video in Clipchamp in 2026. Use split to remove sections from the middle or trim the edges for quick cuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.